Wow, look at this. Today I'm making for my kids a peanut ice cream. So I'm using 2 cups of whipping cream, or you can say heavy cream. So I'm just making a small portion for my little kids because it's summer here and it's extremely hot. Then I'm just gonna use a mixture to make it come like, how do you call it? Creamy. And then once you see it's forming the creamy foam parts, that's when you can stop. Like now I'm still almost half away, so this mixing part of the cream took longer than I thought. I think it took me like 10 to 15 minutes. And then once that is mixed, like now you can see the creaming, it's forming to be creamy. So then I just mix it up with my mixing, and then I'm going in with my sweetener. So I don't want to add too much sweetener, so it prefer it based on your taste. So I don't want my kids to have so much sugar, so I'm just putting in a little bit of sweetener because it's ice cream. So it's based on your taste if you want it more sweet. And then I'm just going in with peanuts. So I use organic peanuts that was not added sugar, and then I'm going to use 2 spoons of that, and then I'm going to use a bit of oil from the peanuts just to give it that nice peanut taste, because I'm making a peanut ice cream. And then what I realized, this I did not melt it, so I cannot mix it up with a spoon, so I went in mixing it up with the mixture. So that really helped. As you can see, my peanut is really mixing up very well. And then I'm going to chop my fresh peanuts that I've roasted, and then I'm gonna add that inside my mixture. Then I'm also gonna add this on top of the cream once it's done. So I'm just gonna put this in the pan. So now I'm just putting it in my cake baking pan. That's where I'm gonna put it, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 6 hours. It in the ice cream pack, and then on top I'm gonna go in again with some peanuts, just for decor. So and then I'm gonna wrap it up with my plastic wrap, and I'm gonna leave that for 6 hours. And then that's my ice cream for my little ones. Look how yummy and delicious that looks. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and leave a comment. Let me know from where you are watching from, and also let me know if this video was helpful and you learned something. Ciao ciao, see you in the next video.